Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Cowart's Journey, and today we're going to be talking about my lab results. So if you're not following me, have not watched my pregnancy videos, I actually went to IVF Fertility Center, in which I did speak with my doctor, and we did get some blood testing done. On the 13th of this month, I went ahead with my referral to my Quest diagnostic, in which my doctor wanted me to get a plethora of different blood tests done, and I'm going to read the tests to you as well as the results. So out of the 21 tests, I had 2, 4, 6 tests that were low. So I'm just gonna be honest and keep it real like I always do. Your girl was discouraged. I was upset. I even started crying because I really didn't know what that meant in the overall process of everything. My health, trying to conceive, how long it's going to take to conceive, how do I increase these scores, because they give you numbers. I gotta eat a lot more green vegetables. I have to get rid of the starches. I love potatoes. I gotta get rid of the breads, pastas. I gotta get rid of them out of my diet because I know after reading it, as it showed the different things that could cause these things to be low, these fall under those categories. I gotta increase my take of green vegetables, and I gotta eliminate sugar out of my diet, out of my life. I'm not saying altogether, but I gotta do a lot better job. I thought I was doing good, but one thing I will say is that me being anemic has gotten so much better. I can see results in my sleep, I can see results in my hair, and then the results on the test are not as low as they used to be. So let's discuss these tests. So the first test is the thyroid peroxidase antibodies, in which that was a 72. That is low. It was in red, so your girl got to work on it. I'm pretty sure my doctor's gonna let me know on, what I need to do. My hemoglobin was a 10.9. That also was in red. Next is the red blood cell count, in which I kind of already knew that my red blood count may have been low, just because that has to do with a lot of obviously being anemic. Mine was a 3.74. You want to have that be at least a 4 and above. I figured that when it came down to like red blood cells or my hemoglobin, I figured that it was going to be low only because I have been in the past like challenging, battling, what am I trying to say, battling the whole anemic thing. I've been definitely getting a lot better with it because it was definitely lower than that before. I don't know if y'all remember me saying that my test, when I got it done, I want to say maybe a couple years ago, my hemoglobin was a 6 or a 7. It was really low, and they were basically letting me know you need to get it together because you're gonna have to get a blood transfusion sometime in the future if you don't. My white blood cells, however, were good, so I gotta make sure that I get my red blood cells up. A 3.74. I don't know how hard or challenging that may be, but I am trying. I am intaking a lot more collard greens and just really consuming that and trying again to get rid of the starches and sweets and things of that nature. So the next one is the hematocrit. It was a 33.4. My MPV was a 14.4. That was also in red. And then finally the last one was an absolute neutrophils, which was 964. In which that has to be in the thousands, like 15,000. So I was off by a whole lot. Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far?
Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video.
I feel like overall I'm definitely glad for the test to show me what I need to improve on. A lot of times when my body is feeling funny, all I know is that it's feeling funny. I don't know why. So I am happy to know that there's a possibility that this doctor can tell me on how I can increase these different categories of the test. And hopefully that will not only make me feel better, but then I will be better internally, which then I'll be healthier, but then also healthy to be able to carry my baby. I don't know how long it's going to take for me to get where I need to be to even get pregnant. Again, I don't know the process on how, long it's going to hinder me from moving forward with the fertility center. But I gotta find a way of getting these things higher. If you are going through this journey and you have gotten your test results and you've already spoken maybe to your fertility doctor and he's recommended things, please let me know so I can go ahead and start this process. I am in my early 30s and I want to, honestly speaking, I want at least 2 more children. Now, as far as the process of this whole fertility, IVF or IUI or medication process that I am going on, I really don't know if that would be a possibility, only because this whole process is money that is involved, and it's, it can be quite expensive. So I say that to say, if I can get my miracle baby, I'm definitely going to be blessed. Definitely been praying a lot to God and trying to make sure that I'm asking all the right questions to the doctor, researching, and also asking God as to, is there anything that I'm missing that I need to possibly be, asking you and seeking you for. So that is my process. I'm glad for the test results. I'm definitely going to bring you all along with me when I go to my appointment. We will be discussing my results, so you will be there with me through this whole process. So join me in my fertility process, trying to conceive, and I will see you all there. The next video will actually be that. So I love you all so much. Comment down below if you have already finished this process, you're starting this process. If you're in the middle of the process, just comment down below. It's so helpful that people are on YouTube discussing it, because you kind of get a gist of kind of what you may have to do. It gives you just a clear picture where you're not just going into it, in the dark. Definitely YouTube has been very beneficial. So please comment down below if you have done this process. I love you all so much. I'm gonna get out of here because your girl is not gonna be crying. Not today, boo boo, not today. And we will see each other later. Bye, dolls.